please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, you can see dates and how much soft its fluffiness of the cake is. And lot of the people were saying me that in the comments that please make the cake of kajur chocolate. Nice chocolate date cake. Look, I'm going to taste it. This is today I'm going to make it for you. Okay, for that this is my recipe. I'm going to start it from 2 eggs in the bowl, and after that half cup white flour maida, quarter cup grounded sugar, quarter cup oil, baking powder or soda, half tablespoon cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon yogurt, 2 dates, okay, now we are going to beat it. It's my beating machine mixer. Now I'm going to beating for 3 minutes on a high speed. Look, there is no lumps. I've taken the juicy dates and after that oiling to the baking mold. Now I'm going to tap it 2 times and now place it for 40 minutes on medium flame. You can see dates and how much soft its fluffiness of the cake is. Nice chocolate date cake. Look, I'm going to taste it. This is the date inside of the look at. It's very very tasty.